And proponents of a people's initiative have come up with a rough draft of a proposed law that will the pork barrel system. Sam Ramirez filed this report.
Former Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato Puno and the Chamber of Commerce of the Philippine Islands headed a forum with other people's organizations to discuss the rough draft for a proposed law for the abolition of the pork barrel system that will be achieved through the People's Initiative. In abolishing the pork barrel system, the group also aims to restore the constitutional separation of powers, especially between the executive and legislative branches of the government. Second, to uphold transparency, accountability, and regain public trust. And lastly, to assure that public funds will not be used for personal gain or for political patronage.
The biggest casualty of all this is the Constitution. If we prohibit this lump sum appropriation, we shall be substantially doing away with what we know as PDAP, DAP, and their other manifestations.
With the solid participation of people's organizations and individuals up with the so-called corruption-tainted pork barrel, the former Chief Justice is positive that the People's Initiative will triumph. He also encouraged for other people as well as groups to voice out their suggestions and comments to strengthen the proposed measure. On January 2014, a People's Congress is scheduled to happen wherein the group will run information campaigns about the law to abolish pork barrel. For the People's Initiative to come through, the proposal should be signed by 10% of the total registered voters, and at least 3% of each legislative district should also agree to the proposal. Only then will a referendum take place to enact the proposed measure into a law. Reporting for the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.